Hello guys, let us start the quiz. Question number one. An icon of Gandhism in politics, Desai was one of India's more acceptable prime minister for his emphasis on transparency and good governance thoughts. However, the results were disastrous as the fox like Zia uprooted the entire Raw network in Pakistan soon after Desai's revelation. Raw expert B. Raman believed that Desai inadvertently gave in to Zia's diplomatic no-towing, which included classified information about Pakistan's bomb-making facility at Kahuta. All of this was possible due to a common interest on a topic that Zia used ostensibly to keep Desai in good humor. What? Question number two. Madhya Bharat, also known as Malwa Union, was an Indian state in West Central India from 1947 to 1956. During its existence, it followed a certain convention that isn't very practical for the state given its geography. Maharashtra practices this, but it was a geopolitical decision in case of Maharashtra taken after Nagpur and Vidarbha region merged with the state. In addition to Maharashtra, two more states practice this and one state used to practice this. What convention or practice? Question number three. This is a star marked question. This is a table which tracks the first three Lok Sabha elections. Why is the number of constituencies less than number of seats? And how this was corrected in 1962. Just look at the table and try to answer the question. Question number four. This RTI application was filed by senior journalist Saket Gokhale on 26 December 2019. The Home Ministry was not replying to it initially. It was about something that has been used number of times by Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Union Minister Amit Shah. Sources in the ministry told India Today TV that the term has not been mentioned in any reports by intelligence and law enforcing agencies. Some officials said they believe this is a frivolous RTI application. Meanwhile, the petitioner Saket Gokhale says he is serious about his application. The matter was becoming national news, so the Home Ministry replied on 20th January 2020 saying that it has no information about it. What detail does the RTI seek? Question number five. Fill the caption. This is an Amol ad, so we need the caption of this Amol ad. Question number six. What is the relation between the personalities and places mentioned below? Zakir Hussain, Bihar, VV Giri, Andhra Pradesh, PD Jatti, Odisha, Shankar Dayal Sharma, Maharashtra, Krishna Kant, Tamil Nadu. So, what is the relation? This is also a star marked question. Question number seven. Connect. Just look at these airports and connect. Question number eight. This is also a star marked question. So connect the list as exhaustive and just connect the given bills here. Question number 9. You'd be surprised to read this letter. When I left the office of the Congress Committee forever, I paid regards to that building. Aruna Asif Ali was with me. That was our last meeting. In these elections, your victory is certain, but if certainty turns into uncertainty and ultimately your defeat, I would be extremely happy, and it would also be beneficial for the country. Then you would get the opportunity to improve yourself and become a better person. In the end, I pray for your long life so that I may get the opportunity to reform you. Written in 1962, this letter is a reflection of one of the fierce political rivalries of Indian politics. Identify the political stalwarts involved in this rivalry. Question number 10. An ardent advocate of liberalism, this parliamentarian was always quick in his wit to reply any comment flung in his direction. On account of his ideological leaning and pro-American views, he was often referred as American agent or Washington parrot by his political opponents, which he replied to by coming to parliament hanging placard which read, "I am a CIA agent." On chairman's order, he removed the placard remarking, "I am no longer a CIA agent." Identify this amusing parliamentarian. Question 11. This picture covers a historical event of Indian political history. Which event? So just look at the picture and try to answer the question. Question number 12. He doesn't speak, he silently witnesses the messy business of democracy from up close. In his rustic clothing and puzzled countenance, he is silent, puzzled, and observing. Who is this fictional character? Question number 13. This is a star marked question. So just look at these three images and try to connect. Question number 14. Dinanath Bhargava died on December 25, 2016, while his boss and boss's collaborator gained more renown and his contribution was somewhat marginal. It is Bhargava's other creation that is instantly recognizable and more memorable for the Indian public at large. His boss was very particular about accuracy, and for about a month, Bhargava commuted to the Calcutta Zoo every day and spent hours in observation. What was Bhargava's lasting contribution? Question number 15. If Wikipedia is to be believed, there are 54 official ones of these in Maharashtra topping the list with 12. Within the state as well, Mumbai has the most with 6, thereby equaling Delhi's tally. Internationally speaking, these are present in 24 countries. Surprisingly, Netherlands tops the list with a staggering 28. The Dash Monument Council, headquartered in the United States of America in 2008, approached mayors of 185 cities in 39 countries to have at least one of these in them. The countries range from Norway, Canada, Australia, and Singapore to Qatar, Israel, Slovenia, and Bahamas. What exactly am I talking about? Question number 16. The legendary vocalist Pandit Omkarnath Thakur gave a particular performance of a particular song at a midnight function on the request of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Panditji was flown from Chennai the night before in a special flight. Before performing, he set the condition to be allowed to sing the entire 22 lines of the composition. He set tune of the song in Rag Kafi, which is performed at midnight. This performance was later broadcasted in the morning at 6:30 a.m. so that the entire nation could wake up to this iconic composition. What was the song which was performed and what made this recital so special? Question 17. Independence came with partition of the nation and armed forces were also divided in 2:1 ratio between India and Pakistan. GGBG was no exception, so Muslim elements of the unit went to Pakistan and Sikh and Rajput elements stayed with India. The title remained GGBG till 26 January 1950 when India became a republic and GGBG became X. After the division of other assets of the regiment and when it came to Y, both India and Pakistan wanted it. To decide the fate of Y, Colonel Singh and Sahibzada Yaqub Khan tossed a coin and India got Y. The tradition of using Y was discontinued until President Pranab Mukherjee revived it 20 years later. Identify X and Y. Question number 18. Popularly known as Dada Saheb X, was an independence activist and the president from 1946 to 1947 of the Central Legislative Assembly. He hailed from a Marathi family but worked and lived in Gujarat, where he came in contact with Mahatma Gandhi and Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. On 15 May 1952, after the first general election in independent India, X, who was representing Ahmedabad, was elected with 394 votes against the opponent's 55 for this post. Who are we talking about? Which post did he hold from 15 May 1952 to 27 February 1956? Question number 19. This is also a star marked question. So connect. These are pictures of 5 personalities, and the last picture, the yellow one, it is logo of an organization. So connect. Question 20. The KT is a mixed-use 17-story cinema, shopping mall and apartment building located at Handy Road and Mount Sophia in the museum planning area of Singapore. Owned and managed by KT Organization, the original building was opened in 1939 as KT Building. This building has a significant connection to India's political history. What is the connection? The image of the building is in the next slide. So this is the image. So what is the significant connection to India's political history? So these are the questions. Thank you.